Good morning to all. I am Teja from Cybersecurity. Today I am telling topic is software security, software myths. Soft, Software myths have three types: management myth, development myth, customer myth. Management myth. Management myth is nothing but a manage the software project. Uh, when workers are not there, we can improve more workers and more staff. Management is nothing but a manage the project of software project. Customer myth, customer myth, nothing but a software is flexible. We can change the accommodation according to customer. And its development myth. Product is developed by uh, developed uh, by the choice of customer. So thank you.